Hi friends, good morning. Today I'm just gonna take you around with me this morning and maybe this afternoon. We're not really doing a whole bunch. We're about to go into the dentist and then we might run to one store, but then we need to grab lunch. I need to pack my boys up to go to their grandma's house because she wants them for the weekend. And since there's not a lot of sports going on besides baseball practice, he'll miss Saturday, but he'll go on Sunday. So that's what we're gonna do. But right now I'm about to take him to the dentist and then I will figure out what I'm doing next after.
I got an orange.
You got an orange?
Cool. Or a grapefruit, I have no idea.
Alright, so we finished at the dentist. We are now on the way. We're going to be heading home in just a minute, but first, while I'm out here, I'm going to go through Krispy Kreme so they can take some to their grandparents' house, and then we'll have some at the house as well. Because I also have a coupon. It's like $5 for a box, and you can get 2 boxes, so $10 donuts for 2 dozen, not bad. So I'm going to go do that right now, and then we will head home and start packing them up to take them to the grandma's house. Do y'all even want any donuts?
Huh?
Do you want any donuts?
What?
Do you want any donuts?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you gonna take them to Grandy's?
Yeah.
Yes. Alright. So 2 dozen it is, right? Mm-hmm. Y'all just want plain? Alright. Maybe we'll go through Chick-fil-A right here.
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on.
Actually, yeah. Why you won't?
Because it's 10:13 right now, so.
Who cares if it's 10:13?
We have all the time in the world, right?
No, we only have 5 minutes.
Oh, you're saying for breakfast. Hi, can I get 2 dozen glaze?
Will that be it?
That's it.
Alright.
Thank you. Okay, so we got the donuts. You gonna eat one or are you holding it?
I'm gonna eat all.
You're gonna eat all of them? Okay, just leave them there for a second and then we're gonna go through
Okay,
Chick-fil-A.
I'll visualize.
What do y'all want?
May I please have the chicken menu? I think that's what it's called.
You want the 4-count chicken minis?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want hash browns?
I want the kids meal.
They don't have fries yet, not till 11.
So I'll just have the chicken. I just want the hash browns because I just want donuts right now. So we just get chicken minis and hash browns, and I'll eat the chicken minis and you'll eat hash browns.
Okay, you don't want any?
Yeah, because I'm gonna eat the donuts. I usually would eat more.
Okay.
I usually eat 3.
Okay, do you want to put these in the middle? Move the...
Yeah.
Do you want to eat one?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Take a box. Can you get it?
I don't care.
Here's the other one.
Toss it out. Okay, no,
Thank you.
close that one.
He was gonna get one out.
Well, you could just throw it at the top. It's not closed.
You're welcome. How is it, Cam? Is it yummy?
I'd rather have it.
Oh, you don't like them warm? Oh, warm's the best. So good. I might have to steal one. Okay, 2 sweet teas, chicken minis, 1 hash brown. Got it. Okay, I'm on my way to Cam's room to pack him up for the weekend and get all his clothes. They're kind of laying in a pile right here, and I'm going to put them all in his suitcase and then whatever else he wants to bring as well. Are you going to help me figure out what else to put in there?
I already packed like half of the stuff.
Oh, you packed what? Your WWE?
Yeah.
Do you want to put them in your bag, or are you just going to carry them?
I'm going to just carry them in my money in the bank.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll see what else he'll probably add. I bet he'll add something else to this bag. So I'm going to get everything going.
I was trying to.
Stop being like that.
You know what's untabled?
Okay.
No, it ain't.
Do you want to bring one of your bears or anything, or a blanket? Your WWE blanket's in my room.
This. I'll bring this.
Is that the blanket you want?
Yeah. What else do I need? Oh yeah, I was going to grab a Dr. Pepper for the road.
Yeah, but we're not leaving just yet.
I'm trying to get a free Dr. Pepper.
Okay, I need to go get your toothbrush.
Okay.
Alright. We got your toothbrush. Coop's gonna bring his toothbrush from the dentist, and then you can use the toothpaste or whatever Grandy has. Their school cups came in though. They each picked out, he wanted a Yeti and then Cam wanted a Stanley. And he picked this blue. So, all ready for school. And then his backpack came in. And it looks like his big brother's, except Cooper's is orange, and this will last him a couple years, I'm hoping. Because the other ones, I used to buy the Pottery Barn ones and replace them every year, and that gets expensive too, but these actually last and are durable, more so than the Pottery Barn, so this is the route we went. Even though they're a little bit more expensive, it'll last. Hi guys, we're back in the car, and I'm on the way to take my kids to their grandparents, my husband's parents. They're going to spend the weekend with them, and then I'll pick them up Sunday. I'll probably drive all the way there. They live an hour away, so I'm meeting them halfway. And then I need to run to Costco and see if they have the Halloween stuff out at this other Costco, because the one that we always go to only had like 3 items of Halloween. As you saw in one of my videos, they barely had anything out yet. So I'm going to check that one out because I'm looking for the Jack head from The Nightmare Before Christmas. They have like a candy head. My friend is on a mission to find that. They have it online right now, but it's more expensive online. So if I can find it in store, that would be great. So I'm going to check that out. But in the meantime, I'm just driving them all the way and meeting their grandparents. So then I'll be kid-free and I can do what I want till my husband gets off work, and then I don't know what we'll do. We'll probably have dinner and just relax, and that's about it. So that's where I'm going to stop to next after I get rid of the kids. Get rid of y'all. What? Is that not okay? Just kidding, I would never. I love y'all too much. Okay, now that I'm kid-free, I can run in Costco really quick, and I'm just showing you some of the Halloween stuff that they have. That wolf was new. They didn't have that at the other one, but I think more of them have it now. Disney Nightmare Before Christmas, and then they also have the event calendars out here, and I grabbed some of those. And then they also have some good Christmas toy presents idea that I went ahead and grabbed too, since the kids weren't with me. They have these Pokemon sets, which is like 4, and then they also have some baseball cards, which my kids are really into. So check off the list and get those wrapped. But I got more steak bites, try those Skittles, and that's about it. Okay, I need to close. The sun is hot, even though I got a hot drink from Starbucks because I needed some caffeine. I have the air going though, so hopefully it doesn't mess with the sound. I'll turn it down for a second. Anyways, I'm on my way home. I stopped by Costco. I showed you what I got. I wasn't planning on getting like that, but they had those little event calendars and everything. And I know they won't last long because the elf one, I always search online before I purchase something, and the elf one online was already on Amazon for $69.99, and I'm like, You can go to Costco right now and get it for 30 bucks. I was like, I'm not paying 70 bucks. Anyway, so I was glad to find that. And then I also, of course, you saw I got the Christmas vacation because I'm planning a party next year for that for the kids. My kids, not the cousin party. The cousin party next year, it might be, I think I'm going to do Elf. I have to look at my stuff. This year's Rudolph. Next year, I think, is Elf. So I might go back and get more of the Elf ones, but I didn't want to spend, that's a lot. I don't know. Because I would have to buy, if I have 2, I'd have to buy 4 more. So 4 times 30. I mean, I don't know, that's a lot plus everything else I've already purchased. So I have to think about that. But besides that, I'm on my way home. I also have to look up an orthodontist for my youngest son. They referred 2, so I need to research those doctors and see which one and make an appointment for him because he has some problems with his bottom teeth that we got to get a tooth moved so another adult one can come up. So got to get that done. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I've done for today, and I've enjoyed having y'all come along with me, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. Basically, I live my life in the car like every other mom running their kids, being the Uber driver. So just decided to take y'all along, and if y'all like it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll do more of these and see if y'all like it. I can do more of these if y'all like it, especially when the kids go back to school. I do a lot of running around and seeing like what all the stores have for the especially during the holiday season, because you just have to be alert because they come out. I mean, it's July and Christmas is in December, and they already have the event calendars out. So anyways, I'll be on the lookout for you too. If you're looking for specific stuff, let me know. I'll tell you what stores have the good stuff. Anyways, so I'm almost home, and I'm gonna edit another video, get it uploaded, and then I'll start working on this. Now that I don't have any kids, I think we're gonna go to dinner by the house. I don't know if we'll go up to the club or if we'll go to another restaurant we like to go to called Via Real. Around here, it's like it's like a New Mexico Tex-Mex mix. It's a nicer like they have steak, they got fish, but they also have like enchiladas, and the fajitas are amazing. But we really go for the margaritas. So we might go there or the country club. I don't know. So I guess my husband has to pick. But since we're kid free, we'll probably turn on a movie and go to bed by 8 o'clock. So anyways, but I just thank y'all so much for being here, and I'll see you next time.